Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from First Cry Parenting.
Whole wheat crackers recipe for toddlers. Whole wheat crackers is a finger food which is loved by young kids. Learn how to make this healthy and tasty snack recipe for your toddler. Cooking time needed. Preparation time 15 minutes. Cooking time 20 minutes. Total time 35 minutes. Cooking method microwave oven. Suitable for toddlers older than 14 months of age. Meal schedule breakfast, mid-morning snack, evening snack. What you will need: whole wheat flour 1 cup, refined oil 2.5 tablespoons, salt 1/4 teaspoon or as per requirement, water 3 tablespoons approximately. Recipe: in a medium-sized bowl add wheat flour, oil and salt. Add water slowly to knead the dough. The dough should be soft but not sticky. Add little bit oil to grease the dough to avoid it getting dry. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Divide the dough into 2 halves and start rolling the first half on a flat surface. Roll out the first dough ball as thin as possible. Keep the rolled dough on a greased baking tray and mark squares with the help of a knife. Do not cut out the squares. Also, prick the cracker with a fork and sprinkle a little bit of salt. Do not forget to brush the crackers with a little bit of oil. Put the baking tray inside the oven. It might take around 10 to 15 minutes to cook completely. Baking time may vary depending on the thickness of your cracker. Keep on checking the oven after few minutes so that the crackers do not burn. Cook them until the crackers turn crisp and brown. When it cools down, remove from the baking tray and separate the squares. Repeat the same steps with the remaining dough. The crackers are ready to eat whenever and wherever your child likes. Recipe tips: the dough must be rolled out evenly. Otherwise, some crackers might turn out half-cooked. Keep checking the oven in few intervals to avoid the burning of crackers. Make sure these crackers are stored in an airtight container to avoid losing the crispiness. Wash your hands properly before starting to prepare this recipe. Make sure to try this whole wheat cracker recipe at home. It can be easily eaten by your kid on their own and proves nutritious as well.